friends, today we're talking about Design Pickle. This is an unlimited graphic design service that you can employ in any business, personal project to develop professional graphic design in a very timely and efficient manner. This type of concept is taking the world by storm. There are already 2 or 3 competitors, and Design Pickle has really set the standard for this type of service. So graphic design help is here. As many of you know, it is a challenge to get quality graphic design, and it can be frankly expensive and time consuming to work with a graphic designer in the United States. So what Design Pickle does is outsource the design work overseas where the labor costs are lower, and they provide full-time, well compensated, properly treated employees who are professional graphic designers who will work on your requests and interface with you primarily through their system, which is called JAR. So Design Pickle is really a phenomenal concept. I have heard an interview from the founder, Russ, on a different podcast, and I can tell you something that was important to me. He is committed to treating all of their team members in different countries with God-honoring respect and offering them a very legitimate and quality opportunity in their society to make high incomes for their families. So Design Pickle is a graphic design unlimited outsourcing service. Now, from your perspective, you wouldn't feel like you're outsourcing. You are working with a professional graphic designer. They just happen to be outside the United States. One little tip or important item to know up front is they do offer one-time requests. Might be an interesting way to try it out for $75. The pricing model is such that there are 2 plans. They've really simplified everything. There are 2 plans, and they are widely different. The standard plan, or the normal plan, is $3.99 a month, unlimited graphic designs. The top tier plan, or the pro plan, is unlimited graphic design at $9.99 a month. Now the pro plan includes a few upgraded types of designs like landing pages, higher end infographics, some other top tier graphic design types are only available with the pro plan, but a very wide array of services are available with the standard $3.99 business plan. The pro plan provides a fast, same-day turnaround, kind of an instantaneous access to a designer, and the standard plan is going to have more of a one-day turnaround. One cool thing about Design Pickle is they have designers spread out across the globe now in a few key locations, so they've got several different time zones in operation. So you could file a request at the end of your Central Time USA business day, 5 p.m., and know that your design is in progress throughout the evening, and it might even be picked up by somebody else overnight. And so you can really look forward to seeing something in the morning with that type of operation that they put together. So the scale and the size of Design Pickle is impressive. They have acquired quite a consumer list. Small businesses, medium and even large scale businesses, of course, individuals who are high on top quality ads are using Design Pickle. So Design Pickle has really stepped in and created something powerful. Let's take a look at some of the designs. What they produce, if you're watching on video, you'll be able to see what they produce are top tier designs. Now think about it this way. You can definitely go to marketplaces like Fiverr and other services. You can ask your cousin or your younger nephew to produce a graphic design for you, and oftentimes you get something that does work. It's designed, they used Photoshop, they've got some shading, some different fonts, etc. But you know in your heart of hearts that design that you got from Fiverr or from your nephew is not a top tier professional level design. I advertise myself as a medium level designer, meaning I can use the graphic design tools, I can produce simple blog post headers and things like that, and do minor graphic design items that I need to for my business purposes. But the truth is, I'm not a professional graphic designer. Design Pickle will connect you with professional graphic designers, so across the board of your platform, your organization, your client roster, you can introduce top level graphic design. And we all know what that looks like when you land on a blog, when you see a Facebook ad, when you see an event promotion, a flyer that is top level, you will know immediately. So this is something that is really, really cool. People are able to see top and produce top level designs, or have produced top level professional designs for their company. You can zero in, if you get connected with once you get connected with the designer, you can build a relationship and a connection, and they can begin to understand your branding ethos, your preferences, colors, schemes, and so there can be a reciprocation in an online relationship built where you can streamline the future production of other assets because you've established a pattern and your designer has learned about your business and about your preferences and designs, etc., etc. So if you're looking on the video, you'll be able to see that they produce amazing designs. There's a wide array of fonts, colors, the integration of icons, small assets, graphics. They of course can work with any stock photo service imaginable, and of course you can supply your own images, branding, and assets that you already have in your possession for the designer to use in their designs. What I see design work that is reminiscent of a Fortune 500 company's advertising. I see ads that look like they were produced, or event promos that look like they were produced by a major concert tour. So if that is of interest to you, and you drill down and you think $3.99 a month, what if I upgraded every single Facebook post, every single blog post header image? What if I upgraded our logo? What if I created share-worthy, high-quality infographics? You would instantly see a return in your business. That's the bottom line, and I'm getting excited just as I'm talking about Design Pickle, because I have suffered through medium-level graphic design in my own personal sphere for quite some time. It's cool. There's an online demo. When you go to designpickle.com, you can chat. Of course, there's a chat bot, and they'll quickly offer you a demo, and I will include the link to the demo. It is designpickle.com/demo-video, and you'll see a demo with the founder. Here it is on the video, and the founder, Russ Perry, walks through the impetus for the company, how it works, and then most relevant, how you can interface with Design Pickle. They do offer a 14-day money-back guarantee on the standard plan, $3.99, and a 21-day money-back guarantee on the Pro plan, which is $9.99. And they openly admit that this type of service is not for everyone, and so they don't seem to be emotional about it. They'd love for you to try it. If this works, if this fills a need for you, then great. It has filled a need for a lot of other people, and if not, then try something else. So Design Pickle is very cool, and they use a platform called Jar. I'm showing it on the video here, where you will be able to log in and submit your design requests. And they've really created a nice streamlined platform. You can title the request, choose from various sizes, give details, reference previous designs, have web links and other things that you'd like to for the designer to continue. You can mention the file types that you would like to output. By the way, all file outputs, all assets are yours. The source files, all the Adobe PDF type files, the PSDs, AIs, the INDDs for InDesign are all yours to keep. The JPEGs, the PNGs, etc., etc. So you choose what output you would like. Then you can click if you have any photos, or you would like the designer to source stock photos elsewhere, upload any other assets, and then you can send your design request through the interwebs and get going. And the designer can chat and correspond back with you. The way they work is they will often show you a partial prototype, or if it's PowerPoint presentation, they'll show you a few slides and seek your approval before proceeding and investing more time in the work. So they've created something really amazing, and think about how you could use Design Pickle. If you've got an unlimited service, it's wonderful to use it. I've got an unlimited car wash subscription, and it burns in me every week. If I miss, if I extend, I am frustrated. The positive aspect of that is that I get there. I really work hard to get to the car wash because I'm paying for it, and I get my use out of it, and it really is blessing my life. So with Design Pickle, imagine requesting blog posts, social images, Facebook ad graphics, event designs on a almost daily basis. Imagine a game plan. Create a game plan for yourself where you're requesting graphics on a 2 to 3 times a week or even a daily basis for yourself and your clients, and you're really just humming and you're really producing. Of course, you're saving your time, you're leveraging your particular skills, and you're getting design work out there that's going to inspire you to share more, to publish more, to produce more. And so that is the beauty of Design Pickle. I'll have more information in the links below, and as always, we'd appreciate your sharing and subscribing to theplatformshop.com. Thank you so much. God bless.